In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can make 10k a month by only working 2 hours a week. Yes, you've heard me correctly. 10k a month by only working 2 hours a week. And in this video, I'm basically going to break down my value first framework, which has not only helped me, but helped so many of my clients make 5 to even 6 figures a month. So make sure you watch this video to the very end, because trust me, you don't want to miss the value that I'm going to provide. Now, before I begin the video, let me just give you a quick background on who I am so you know I'm qualified to talk about this. My name is Alim and I left the UK over 12 months ago. Now, back in the UK, I was working so many different 9-to-5 jobs. I used to work at Argos, this was my first job. I then worked at World Duty Free, and then I worked at Sky. Now, I worked all these jobs, and you know what, I kind of had enough, and I said, you know what, I'm going to take the biggest risk of my life, move straight to Dubai, and start an online business there. Now, at the time when I moved, I didn't have any savings. I had sort of a little bit of online income, but it wasn't really enough to survive on. But now, over 12 months later, I own a 6-figure coaching business, where I basically help other people do the exact same business model. And by the way, if you do need any help with this, where I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10k a month within 3 months of my program, well, you can either DM me on Instagram, or alternatively, you can click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. And what we'll do is jump on a call and see exactly how I can help you. Now, let me go into the business model that I'm going to be talking about in this video, which can actually help you quite a lot. Because I know it's a bold statement, right? Making 10k a month working only 2 hours a week. But trust me, when I explain how the business model works, it will make a lot more sense to you. And the reason why it sounds crazy to a lot of people, right, is because you guys have a 9-to-5 mindset. Now, I'm not saying this from a position of authority, because I used to be there too. When you work a 9-to-5 job and you're working so many hours and you come home with $2,500, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, you have this thing in your mind which is really bad, but it's something in your mind where that's the only way you can make money. And the only way you can make, let's say, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 is if you work 40 hours a week. And this is something I realized about myself when I actually did quit my 9-to-5 job and moved to Dubai. I realized I also had the same mindset. So the first thing that you kind of need to do is release that mindset. Don't think that it's difficult to make money, right? Because a lot of you guys think that it's very, very difficult to make money. It takes you 40 hours a week to make, let's say, 3 grand a month. And that's why when I'm talking about you making 10k a month by only working 2 hours a week, it doesn't sound right to you. In fact, it probably sounds like bullshit. But I'm telling you guys 100% it's not bullshit. Okay, there might be a few more hours than 2 hours. However, the principle is you'd only generally be working 2 hours a week, making 10k a month. And the best way that anyone can do that is by starting your own coaching program. Now, essentially, in a nutshell, a coaching program is where you teach your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients. Now, let me give you an example. There's a woman here in Dubai that teaches people how to knit, and she makes around $20,000 a month. You've got another person that teaches people how to stop drinking alcohol. He makes around $85,000 a month. One of my clients had a crypto investment coaching program, and literally in only a few weeks, he got $25,000 worth of booked calls. It doesn't have to be a very high level niche, right? It can be any niche. For example, the woman that's doing knitting, that's not really considered a high value niche, but yet she's making $20,000 a month, which shows that genuinely any niche would work. So find a skill that you've got that you can monetize. For example, I'm working with a client right now who works with parents with special needs children. And again, that's a very particular niche, but you can tell already just me outlining that niche, it's a very profitable niche because it's one of those big problems where people don't know how to deal with, special needs children. So that's why you've got to find a niche that you're good at or a skill that you're good at that you can teach other people. The next step is doing your pricing. Now, pricing is very, very important, okay? You don't want to charge low ticket. There are so many people that charge like $400, $500, maybe even $200, right? These are called low ticket programs. And the problem with low ticket programs is that it's not really scalable, because let's say you have 10 people you're working with and you charge $500. Well, you're only going to make $5,000, and now you're in charge of 10 people, which means that you can't even give them your best service. Whereas if you charge $5,000, you only need to get one person in your program to make $5,000. And for that one person, you're able to provide them a lot of value. So the whole point is to charge high ticket, because not only are you going to profit a lot of money from it, you're actually going to be able to give better results and better value to your client. The next step is your deliverable. So you need to find out exactly how long you're going to spend time with them to get them a desired result. For example, in my program, I work with you for 3 months and I scale you to 10k a month. So that's sort of the end goal of my program. So you need to find out the end goal in your program and how long it's going to actually take you to do that. So let's go with the generic program of 3 months, 1 hour a week. This means that you'd spend 1 hour a week with your client for 3 months. Now, remember earlier in the video, I said that you could make 10k working only 2 hours a week. Let me show you an example, okay? So let's say you charge $5,000 and you've signed 2 clients. Well, you give them an hour each of your time, so that works out to 2 hours a week, and they pay you 5 grand up front, which means you pocket 10 grand. And now you've made 10 grand working only 2 hours a week. Now, granted, yeah, you're going to be working with them for 3 months, but the point remains the same. 10 grand for only 2 hours a week, where a lot of you guys are making less than half of that working 40 hours a week. So this is where you've got to also work smart, because a 9-to-5 job is really and truly trading your time for money. And there's only so many hours you've got. Now, imagine if you're working 40 hours in this coaching program. Based on the maths, you'd make $200,000 if you worked 40 hours in your coaching program. And a lot of you guys don't even make that in like 5-6 years. And you could be making that in a month working the same hours that you're doing in your 9-to-5 job. You see the massive difference over here? Now, just a quick one before I continue with the video. If you do need any help with this, where I'll work with you directly in regards to creating your own coaching program, identifying your skills, packaging it up into a program, sorting out your price, and teaching you how to get clients the organic way without having to spend money on ads, and basically scaling you to 10K a month, well, you can either DM me on Instagram, or alternatively click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. Right, so the next step is, how do you actually get clients? It's all well and good having a program where you charge 5 grand. How do you find these people that are going to benefit from your program? Well, there is one very, very easy way, right? And to be honest, you do need to use a combination of ads and organic. The best organic platform to use is YouTube. So all you need to do is create a YouTube channel, talk about your niche as I'm doing right now, create loads and loads of YouTube videos, provide value in your niche, answer difficult questions in your niche, include CTAs like I just did earlier. Now, CTA is just a call to action. And then what you do is have either a Calendly page or a landing page with the VSL and direct your YouTube traffic to that page. And what's going to happen over time is that you're going to get more and more booked calls. Now, it's not as simple as filming yourself, uploading videos on YouTube and hoping that you get clients. No, there are certain procedures you need to follow. There are certain structures that you need to follow. But the point is, you need to start creating content. So you just create content on YouTube like I'm doing right now, send that traffic to a landing page, get calls booked in. And when you have calls booked in, the next step is to jump on those sales calls and basically pitch your program to the person who booked in a call with you. Now, the best thing is, because you're doing it through YouTube, they are quite warmed up already. And most likely they've probably watched a few of your videos before they decided to actually book in a call with you. And that's probably one of the best things, right? Because you need to warm up people. Right now, we're in a trust crisis, right? No one trusts anyone. That's why creating content is so important, because you can't just run ads and expect people to sign up to your program, because people don't buy your program, people buy you. It's one of the things that I've actually told a lot of my clients when we're structuring up their program, when we're structuring up their YouTube channel. The main point is, people don't buy your coaching program, they buy you. This is why how you come across in front of a camera is extremely important, and it has to match your niche, right? Because some people make videos towards their niche in a very unorthodox way. Now, granted, that can work sometimes, but my point is that you need to create videos in a certain way around your niche, and this is how you build trust with your audience. So once you jump on the sales call, right, they'll be quite warmed up. Obviously, you don't know them. You obviously greet them on the call, you try to throw a little bit of banter. Then the next step is asking them questions. Now, the questions have to relate to your niche, okay? So for example, if you're teaching someone how to play a piano, you'd ask them, have you ever played a piano before? Do you own a piano? You know, what's your expertise in playing a piano? That kind of stuff. And these are basically called qualifying questions. So what you're trying to do here is qualify your client to make sure that they're fit for your program. Because what you don't want is someone to join your program who you genuinely can't help. And put money aside here, right? If you genuinely can't help them, you need to be straight up. Don't sign someone that you can't help, because what's going to happen is they're going to lose out money and you're not going to be able to help them. And at the end of the day, it's going to affect your reputation. So you only want to get clients that you can genuinely help. Now, once they are qualified, then yeah, you can show them a presentation. Now, the presentation should be more about you, about your program, and how you can help them. After that, they'll have some objections. So you need to be able to objection handle. They might ask a few questions. And then once they're happy with it, you then send them a payment link, and then they pay you $5,000. And if you get 2 clients in 1 month, well, you'll only be working 2 hours a week. Now, you see exactly how simple that is. 2 clients will pay you 5 grand, so you make 10 grand, and you only need to work 2 hours a week. And this is the beauty of a coaching program, because you could honestly make some serious amounts of money doing this. And by the way, your pricing doesn't have to be for like a 3-month program. You could easily charge like $5,000 a month, which means that you only need 2 clients a month to make 10 grand a month consistently. And to get 2 clients will be extremely easy. In fact, you could get 10 clients a month and make 50 grand a month, because if you use the right combination of organic and ads, well, you can easily scale up your business to some crazy numbers. As I said, people in this niche are making 6 figures a month, and a lot of you guys don't even hit 6 figures in like 2-3 years. Just think how different your life would be if you were making 6 figures a month right now. Scratch that, let's say you were even making 10 grand a month. I know for a lot of people that would change their lives completely. And not only just making 10 grand a month, you'll be working considerably less. In fact, it would probably motivate a lot of you guys to work more so you can make more money. And by the way, guys, if you do need any help with this, right, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis, teach you everything that you need to know, work alongside you, scale you to 10K a month by doing this business model, then either message me on Instagram or click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. And if you want me to go more in depth on this business model, well, make sure you click this video just over here, and I'll see you guys there.